Well, for a 25% chance of rain, this camping trip's not starting off so well. But an hour's drive later, this is how good it gets. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Okay. Say hello, YouTube friends and fans.
Hello.
Where are we at today?
We're at a lake.
Yeah. How'd we get here?
Horse.
Stop riding your horse. Oh, okay. Stand still. We'll show them what the trail looks like, huh?
Yeah.
Hi, Olivia.
All right, Keith, now that we're back on the right trail, it's only an hour to the lake.
Only an hour to the lake now? I hope this is a pretty lake.
We have some turtles behind us. Zoom in, the one's moving.
Yeah, he's slowly disappearing out there, ain't he?
Uh-huh.
There's a big one over there on a tree over there, but it's too far away.
It's hard to see, but he...
Looks more like a pond than it does a lake.
Well, if we were to clean this all off, yeah, it looks like that. Take like a...
Big break, right?
Not 4 hours.
Oh, yeah. Call the EMS.
He's crazy.
Sitting on my horse named Annie. Borrowed from a friend, Mr. Tim.
I am never popular until I can't answer anything.
My mother-in-law, Olivia, and Tim is in the back. Ready to go, Olivia? With his horse. Okay.
I did that for years until I guess I should have started coming out here by myself. That's Where are we on the water?
I can't hear
Are we on the horse trail?
How we doing back here, Lane?
Good. You?
Oh, we're outstanding. About 3 miles an hour, right?
Oh, is that what we do?
I don't know. Just a good guess.
We got some Mentos.
Wait a minute, the bottle's gonna fall over. Is it on a good spot?
I think so.
Let me get a piece of firewood to hold it up.
Well, go grab a couple blocks.
Grab 2 pieces of firewood and put on.
Do I put the cap back on it?
No.
No.
You got to get them in there as fast as you can and get out of the way. Oh, come on, that's it.
That was 4.
Higher.
He's just gonna dump that all in there. What's the paper for?
3, 2,